Munya but Mumientie Honorable Slightete, MP for Botiano English Yaman from coordinator for the Alan for President campaign in the Greater Accra region. Honorable Akwabe Kosi saying Suni.
Obi na today.
Adom na unso
Nyame jachem.
For some of you are namuye close to Alan Kyeremateng, you believed in his candidature, you believed in the fact that he would be a very good president for our country. This should come as a disappointment, Aramewa.
Obi mame chia tie for me chia ambassador P Sampiale and chia Kofi Tonto and chia weti for nyina. Obi enokre because for 3 days or so, and I say me do me phone by 9 o'clock. Usually unusual of me, and I pay me sorry. Now my chairman was worried. It tells you, say, you must be a bank campaign. I mean, you can't proceed in a part of it. It's a difficult moment for all of us, Obi. Now our wish is Alan Kyeremateng will lead our party subsequently to become president of the republic. But the most important thing is we have life. The party is bigger than any individual. He decides at what time to make his decision. Is the one we are supporting. In Geneva now, we support no. Upon sober reflection, I take a decision. Who are you that you support? I and my colleagues, our loyalty is to the NPP party. We will continue to soldier on. We will make a firm decision in coming days as to who should we support. I can't perform. Award race no. We'll make a firm decision as to who we are going to support to ensure that we defeat the MDC in 2024. Obi, our hopes to make Alan the president has been dashed. And your no personal decision. You can't force him. And so for that reason, our commitment, first of all, based on conversation I've had with my colleagues, support and I believe the rank and file of your party Nankasa so will share the same and any party support here and will share the same sentiment with us. Obi, I'm MPP, everybody is MPP first before anything. The good news is that Alan Kyeremateng still remains MPP person. Almost 30 at 10, so I can't 4. So you're making coming days we'll make a collective statement as to which of the aspirants are Yadi Ntuma born in Tumanua. Ebema beating John Mahama again in 2024 will be easier. And we've had the first round of elections. So the second round is coming. We have to make a choice and move on. We can't be bystanders. Yeah. We are political animals, and we'll make a firm decision. We can only wish Alan Kyeremateng well. He's a vision bearer. In this, if he will no longer bear the vision, we'll have to pinch camp with
another person.
The ultimate is to win 2024. And the Obi, so long as the MPP is alive, we'll oil the party to ensure that we win the next election. In Jubia Kanakuma and to the hearts that are broken and all that. It is because we share in his vision. But I believe that Alan Kyeremateng himself will be part of the campaign for the MPP to win 2024 election.
That is something you believe in.
Certainly. I mean,
because I asked that question because also there is a point in the statement, or say in the next upcoming weeks, I will provide an indication of the role that I will play in politics in Ghana.
Yes.
That is loaded.
The politics in Ghana includes MPP politics. And say by coming weeks, now you primaries, so it could be he will be supporting one of the aspirants. Or he may decide as a senior party person not to support anybody. But when we finish, he will join the campaign for us to have victory 2024. But we cannot wait till that time. Don't be surprised. Maybe tomorrow.
Or Sly, he may decide to go independent.
No, I don't think it's a consideration. How call independent? And I said, Chrome has also been to mean the president independent 2024.
In the Anodia, you don't believe that is part of his considerations, correct?
No. If it's not part of his consideration, never.
In arriving at decision where you are communicating this statement, and you are a key member of his campaign. I mean, you coordinated his campaign in the Greater Accra region, which is a critical region. In arriving at this decision, on the Motnas as a campaign team, the two manim say no person or edgy mu feedback.
Obi nya series of meetings. And now Utia and Ra. And Ran and Crawford, and we I want to saw the statement by Bontinso or Becassa. And Ra, and then an open 10 o'clock. Yeah, yes, series of meetings. If I don't, more than 5 separate meetings, all in arriving at this decision. But at the end of the day, no, don't forget, there's a leader, we a follower. And there's an extent to which you can make an input. After all, Onona, Opesa, or DNA, they do baby not see the Ohuno, or who ye no person training one. Obi, sir, regrettably so, but there's nothing much you can do. But the good news is that he remains a member of the party, and the party is still strong. Yeah, and I mean, they have become Nipa, a coach, 10 of them, I believe, Nipa Ibia is better than John Mahama. So we still have the men capable of prosecuting our campaign. We thought, Alan would have made it much easier for us. However, Obia Obedin Konemno. So we assess and put our energies before the person. Now, Yentumi winning with a united voice. Now, Yentumi Din Kunim 2024. Intermediate, like I would say, Obia or TMBR, a lot of course, even as Yakasas is here, is coming through me. I lead a team in Greater Accra. I believe so, Obia today, but officially, we'll communicate with them and bring our campaign, get things on our campaign. And then, as to who wants support, I won't be able, but I'll make my position known in few hours or days to ensure.
And a few hours, hours there, Yana, would send them a test, na me fan to you.
Okay, but we have just 2 months to go, or less than 2 months
Absolutely.
to go.
November 4th.
So you can't wait. Obi, you can't wait.
I know.
The energy now must be put to use to ensure that a young candidate, a well prosecuted campaign. I would have wished we all rally around to make sure that 2024 will make it much easier for all of us. You see, Obi,
what can I say there? What can I say there? I'm sure the other remaining candidate will begin making overtures. So be able to Charlie.
And that is politics. That man is
Of course. But I know.
But I know, sir. My constituents are listening. They are watching a lot of calls from my constituency. But I've told them they should remain. And I had a meeting with my chairman and the rest of some of my executives. But I believe, sir, I'll make a public pronouncement very soon.
My final question is, here I am thinking, in all of this, maybe Alan should have considered the proposal for him to be running mate to Baumia when it started. No?
Obi, and I say, yeah, agree on running mate before we go for contest. Now, sorry, and you talked about Yankwan elections. Yeah, we need primaries and some
I know, but that proposal came up strongly. If you remember.
And also is out of the radar.
Okay. Yeah,
that's true. Or a party, he continued being a member of the party. And whoever becomes a candidate can now have the capacity to say, I want to make this person my running mate.
Sure.
The party is now mentioning the running mate. So it's not completely out of the radar. Because of the presidential race, he will provide direction under which he will play his politics in Ghana. Nobody knows what that means. And that is the right of the NIPA now you're supporting us.
Okay. And if you so decide on your next camper or picture, just let me know. Why?
Oh, yeah, as usual. And you know, so
Mate,
of course, you are the first station minimum on this matter.
Absolutely.
Yes,
we that's it. And that's the Honorable Sylvester Tete, MP Botiano, English Yaman from campaign coordinator for Kyeremateng in the Greater.